Hi guys, this is Larrissa with Be You Beautiful One. Welcome to my channel. I'm going to be using these two sticker books from the Happy Planner, Stronger Together and the Encourager. I am setting up my dashboard layout for the week of June 1st through the 7th. I'm going to start off by covering up this dinner plan section. This is my social media planner, so I am not going to be planning out dinner in this particular planner, and I wanted to use some of my scrapbook paper that I have laying around. So I decided to take my Happy Planner puncher, the larger one, and punch out a floral pattern here to cover it up with some adhesive tape. Now I was about to put down a sticker on top of this, but it's a little bit too busy. So I decided to take this solid scrapbook paper and punch out another square shape with my smaller Happy Planner punch. And I'm going to layer that on top before I place the sticker in place. One reason why I'm using the Encourager and the Stronger Together sticker book is I just need to focus on hope, elevate my faith in the Lord by just praying to Him and just asking Him to fill me up, to give me a clean heart that I may serve Him, and just continue to come alongside my sisters in faith, even my brothers in faith that I socialize with on a social media platform, whether it's here on YouTube or Instagram or Facebook, email or whatever else. And the struggle is real. This has been a hard week in which I am setting up my planner. And so I just wanted to shift my mindset intentionally, because I found that even though I did some other plan with me's that are coming up, I was struggling. You guys know, doing my layouts, my decorative layouts for the week, for the month, is one of my happy places, and I literally was like, couldn't shake it. And I said, okay, no, I'm choosing to have a particular mindset. I'm not going to be discouraged. I'm going to have hope, and I'm going to have faith in God that He will be glorified in all of this, and that those who choose to believe in Him, the good of this will come to pass. There's something to glean of all of this. And we're going through the fire right now, but you know, a lot of things that are beautiful have to be put into a fire, or has to have some friction or cutting or whatever to make something beautiful. And so I'm just going to press forward. I'm looking and asking God to inspire me and to give me direction in how I could play a part in moving forward. So one thing I thought about was this sticker. It says Stronger Together, which I have at the bottom of my page, but I'm working at the top, so I have it turned upside down. But it says Stronger Together, and it reminds me of when wedding ceremonies are performed. They always encourage the husband and wife to keep Jesus in their marriage, because when we think of the strength of a rope, when you have a 2-cord rope, it's strong, it could withstand some wear and tear, but to have Jesus as that third cord in your relationship, in your marriage, it makes the bond stronger. It makes you continue to mature and develop in hope and faith. it brings the camaraderie of your relationship together. And so I'm like, Jesus, I need you. It made me call on Jesus the evermore. And so I know with my sisters in faith here on social media platforms and in my life, personal life, we can get through this together by encouraging one another and inspiring one another to stand up for each other, which is why I love this sticker. Yeah, it's so important that we stand up for one another. Whether it's here on social media, when you see people being bullied on social media, when you see people who are saying things that will cause disharmony, it's so important that we stand up for one another. And I love this sticker here down at the bottom, where all the girls are hugging on each other. And I thought that was just another great sticker to utilize to show what it means to come together, especially in these moments where people really are hurting, people are disappointed, and people need edification. We need one another to move forward in effective change. I also put that sticker under the month of June. It says choose to shine. To sit down and have a talk with someone allows us to bring light to darkness about certain topics, or to people who just have not experienced certain things in their life, and so it takes a lot of courage and a lot of boldness to stand up. And so let's find effective ways to do our part. Like I love that sticker. It says on the left side, it says, be the light that helps others shine. And that is the key thing. That's one thing I have to continue to remind myself is I may not have the same skill set or gifts or ability that you have, but I could find within my own right a way to move forward, a way to help others move forward, a way to inspire and encourage and uplift one another and move forward. So, and we have to do that. I'm not meant to be the left arm when there's already a left arm on my body. I'm not meant to be a left foot when there's already a left foot present. I'm not meant to have two mouths when there's already a mouth present. I'm not meant to be a second pair of eyes when there's already a second pair of eyes existing on a body, right? But collectively, if there's a left hand and I'm the right hand, we could work together to make something great happen, to make for sure the purpose is and the missions are accomplished. If there's a left foot present, I can show up by being the right foot and taking and helping balance things out and move forward, And so that's my goal. I'm trying to make for sure that I do my part with the gifts, talents, and abilities that God has given me to do. And I want to encourage you to do yours as well, that will lend towards positive, effective changes. So moving forward, I went ahead and placed some stickers down. We are stronger together. Kind words cost nothing, and spread love. And I'm going to go ahead and put down the days are long, but the years are short. We don't have time to waste. Time is of essence. Just like within our weeks, Mondays and Tuesdays for most of us seem to drag. Wednesday just is like OMG. But Wednesday allows us to see the Friday and the Saturday that are coming forward. And by the time we get to Friday, we like, dang, that week went by fast. And all along, we've been like making comments, this week is going slow. Then all of a sudden, it feels fast. So time is short. The days are long, but the years are short. Let's not allow another week, another month, another year, another decade to go by with past opportunities to make this world a better place. I am giving you another closer look of my left and right side of my planner pages. I also put at the top there, shine bright on the right hand side of the page at the top. And it's just a reminder, it takes a lot of courage to stand up for the right things. So make for sure you shine bright. Okay. Thank you for joining me. Please go ahead and like, subscribe, turn on your notification bell. And until the next time, bye-bye.